Let's learn the correct way to apply Luvher Beauty Press on nails. Wash hands completely. Push back cuticles using the wooden stick from the tool kit. Buff your own nail vertically using the buffer from the kit. Do not buff horizontally, which may damage your nail bed. Then remove any grease or dust left. On each corner your own nails by using the alcohol wipes. Clean hands and dry completely. Choose the tape, which is slightly larger than your own nail. Tape and press down the middle part first. Then push and press all the air bubbles away to both sides. For best practice, heat the adhesives with hairdryer on your nail. Remove the plastic cover. Place the bottom edge at a distance of 1 to 2 millimeters from the cuticle line. Confirm that the edges are aligned. Push the nail toward the cuticle line. At an angle of 45 degrees, push it until aligned. For best practice, avoid touching water for 4 hours. Best installing your press on nails before bedtime for the excess adhesive around the cuticle. Spin the wooden stick to remove. Will my press on nails stay on? Let's try it again. Thanks for watching.